Hi, so today we're talking about customer registrations tracker and we're going to understand how you can track your customer registrations using this Notion template. So first of all, in this template, we have got a customer registration database where you can fill in all the customer records that you want to track for. So we have got the customer name, the customer address, the phone number, the email, how did the customer find about us, the feedback that the customer has for us, the suggestions, and if the customer will recommend our product or not. Okay. And if you scroll to the top, you can see that we have got two sections over here. One is the response summary, which shows how many registrations we have obtained so far, how many of those registrants are recommending our product. So if you see in this database, we have got two recommendations which say that they would like to recommend our product. Thus, the percentage is showing us 67%. So if you change this input to yes, it will definitely show 100% for the recommendations part. So as you keep on adding more and more customer records, you will see all these figures get updated, and the recommendations of how many people are recommending would also update as well. And then we have a referral source section over here which shows how many customers have come through what referral source. So you can see we have got two customers who have got to know about us from magazines. So we have got two customers getting reflected, and the percentage also indicates how many customers have come through this referral source in comparison to the total number of customers. So as you make changes to this referral sources, it will automatically update in the figures that we have on the top, and it will automatically show how many customers have come from every source possible. Okay, so this is a quick KPI dashboard for the customer registration tracker. This template is entirely customizable. If you need to customize it further for your needs, feel free to reach out to me at notion for my use at the rate gmail.com, and I'll be happy to help you on this. Thank you. Have a great day. If you are looking to create PDF documents for your business, I have got a solution for you. Head over to pdfoutput.com where you can create PDF documents just for your business. So once you log in over here, you will be able to see an interface like this where you can select a particular template from this drop down. In here, I have selected the invoice template, and I've also selected the currency as US dollars. Once you click on this, you have several currency options available over here. You select a preferred currency, and then you can simply fill in all the details related to the invoice. So let me quickly fill in the details, and as we fill in the details, we will be able to populate this particular PDF with this corresponding details. So I'm just going to quickly add in some information over here. So as you can see, I have filled in some details over here in this invoice, and we're going to get the PDF out of this. So simply click on download PDF, and it will automatically generate a PDF document right of the information that you have filled in. So let me quickly open up the PDF document, and you can see that we have this invoice quickly ready from the details that we had filled in over here. You can even change your currency from here. As you change the currency, the invoice will get populated with a different currency of your choice, and simply click on download PDF again to download the PDF of this preferred currency. Now this is a single PDF mode where you have to fill in the details one by one. If you want to export PDF documents in bulk mode, so simply click on this bulk export mode, and you can fill in this database that you have over here. Once the database is filled in, you will be able to generate the PDF document out of that. Okay. So I'm going to quickly fill in this database and show you how you can generate bulk PDF document out of this. And meanwhile, I'm going to pause this recording so that once I fill in, I'm going to resume and show you how you can generate bulk PDF documents. Hi. So as you can see, I have filled in the details in this database for the invoices, and you can simply proceed to fill in the details. Okay, I've just missed out a few details. Let me quickly fill in this. So I'm just going to enter all this information. So you can see we have the invoice number, the invoice date, and exactly the same fields that we had filled in a single PDF mode. You can also expand these columns. If you're not able to see any of these columns, it will be properly visible for your requirement. And I've gone ahead and filled in every detail that was required, and now it's time to generate the PDF in a bulk mode. Okay, so as you enter the information in these particular rows in the database, simply click on download all PDF, and it will start generating PDF one by one as per the information that you had filled in. Okay, so we have generated three PDF document. Let me quickly open up one of those documents to show you how it has come out. So it comes precisely in the same format as we had generated in a single PDF mode. And again, we had selected the euro currency. If you change this currency to any other currency, it will automatically come out in that format. Okay. As of now, this supports the live database feature. So I will be soon adding a Notion database feature where you will able to add details to your Notion database, and you can export documents from here in this PDF output. So for now, this is what I have the demonstration for you. You can also export PDF document for a particular row by clicking on this download PDF for any individual row that you want to generate, or you can go with the download all PDF option that was available. So this was a quick demonstration of how you can generate PDF document. I will be soon adding more templates in the future. If you have any request for a particular template, click on this link and send me a request for what template you'd like to have. We also have a feedback window where you can send me any feedback of your need or whatever you might want to me to add over here. But for now, this is the demonstration that I have for your requirement. Thank you. Have a great day.